Whip shortbread cookies are made extra cute, piped into poodle shapes. Preheat oven to 180 degrees. First whip the room temperature butter with a paddle attachment. Now add the caster sugar and whip for 2 minutes until the butter turns light yellow in color, nearly white. This is the whipped part of the whipped shortbread. Now go ahead and sift in the corn flour and plain flour. Remember, we are making shortbread, so no egg or baking leaveners are needed. Mix flour in with the spatula until just combined. Fill dough in a piping bag with a small closed-star nozzle. To pipe the poodle, pipe the ears inwards towards the head, then pipe a rosette on top. Pipe a star for the muzzle and 2 feet inwards, then 2 long front legs to finish. Then bake in the oven for 10 minutes until just golden brown. You can create other shapes like bears and original rosette shape. Using some melted chocolate, pipe the dots of the eyes and nose, and a cute little bow to finish. The only way we can feel understood by others is if we understand ourselves. Being busy prevents this. It's why I love baking. Baking allows the space for freedom and imagination and allows you to think in the moment. My gourmet stuffed cookie ebook will be on my website soon at cookandacrumb.com.